of all ages to think about the future and to think about how they are part of the whole world. We don't believe their dream today will be their dream tomorrow. Then we give them the cloth.
Dreamline is a wonderful initiative, and my friend Michael Smollens told me about it. It is very interesting that in the exercise, values which are here in these flags meet the dreams, and the values and the dreams are in alignment for a better tomorrow.
I love this project, and I hope this also could be done in many schools in the country. I think this is something that should be done nationally. It is important that we start talking. They are the customers, so they are the ones we should be talking to.
De devenir un médecin pour aider ces gens à leur donner l'aide